What I'd like to show you now is how to merge files into a new folder or to store folders into a singleton. So I've created a various finals folder because I just have slowly gathered multiple types of finals. So what I would like to do is just place them all into this folder that I've created out at the bottom. The way that I'm going to do that is I go to the far right of the folder that I want to select and move. So I click the cog, it says move to, and right here I'm in my home folder, which is good, I need to be there. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the folder that I want to put it on. I have a lot of folders. I'm going to click various, and then move. And we can now see that that folder is gone. So again, I'm going to click the folder I want to move to, scroll all the way down to the bottom, says various finals, move. And it is now inside the various folders. So I'm going to go back down. Last one that I want to move to, scroll down, and you can see here's my various finals, and my other two folders are in there. And it has been moved in. If I click on that folder, you can now see where they have been stored.